Hi ladies, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Victoria. Welcome, come on in. Today I have an exciting video to share with you guys. I'm super excited. This video is done in collaboration with our favorite wig hair company, and that is Luvme Hair. They sent me this amazing new innovative wig to try on. I don't want to spill too much because that's what the rest of this video is about, but I'm just gonna let you know this is the best wig of all time. Okay. The best wig of all time. But before I get into all of the details, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Soulful Shenanigans channel. I make videos centered around helping women become beautiful, better versions of themselves. So if that's something that you're interested in or you're curious about, make sure you are subscribed to the Soulful Shenanigans channel. We would love to have you. Now let's go ahead and get into the juicy details of this wig. Okay, so here is the packaging, and I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that comes inside the box. We of course have the wig. There is a mesh storage bag to store your wigs in. There are some label cards to label the box in case you decide to store the wig inside the box. There is a custom beauty blender. There is a custom hair clip. There's a set of brown HD wig caps, and not sure what this is. A satin bonnet. They also included this really cute thank you card and just more information about the wig and the company. Alright, so let's get into the wig because I'm super excited. This wig is a part of the new AiryFit wig line from Luvme Hair. I have tried 2 of the wigs in this new line and I love them. I love the cap construction on these wigs. Now I have tried the wet and wavy, and I have tried the blunt cut bob. The blunt bob was the last video that I did. I love this new line of wigs. They're super comfortable, very low maintenance. I love the cap construction. You don't have to worry about it being super tight or the combs pulling really hard on your edges. It's a very snug and comfortable fit, and the wigs are also very lightweight, so I love them. And this one is their newest one. I was super excited to try this one because it comes with an 11x6 frontal. It also comes with the cut out ear tabs, pre-cut, so you do not have to cut your ears out of the frontal, which I have always had to do with my wigs. And like majority of the wigs on Luvme Hair, it comes with a glueless cap construction. It comes pre-everything, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted. This one did not come pre-cut, but I do believe there's an option on the website to order it with the lace already cut, so you don't have to do that. And here is what the wig looks like. So like I've mentioned before, this wig does come with a glueless cap construction. It comes with 1 comb in the back. It comes with 2 combs over on the side. It also comes with a sticky silicone edge all around the perimeter. It also comes with the C-shaped ear cutout tab. There is an adjustable elastic band, and this one is detachable. The elastic band also comes with a silicone grip. It also features the new stretchy cap design, which allows it to stretch up to 150% times its original size, which makes it big and small head friendly. And like I mentioned, this is an 11x6 frontal. And again, this wig comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-parted. Okay, so I already have my wig cap on. I'm going to go ahead and try the wig on, see how it looks and feels just straight out of the box, kind of give you my first impressions. Now, this wig, I did mention this wig does not come with pre-cut lace, so obviously I am going to have to cut off the lace, but just to kind of get a feel and see what it's like, I'm going to go ahead and try it on. I gotta show you these ear tabs. I am super excited about this. See how I just put the hair behind my ears and I did that so effortlessly. So this is what the ear tab looks like close up. I am super excited about this wig. And one thing that's really standing out to me is that the hairline is actually matching up with my hairline. Now, I don't know if you've noticed, but I've kind of always had that problem with wigs because my natural hairline is a little bit lower right here on the temples. I have really low baby hairs, and so they tend to peek out up under my wigs, which is fine by me. I don't need my wig to be like super perfect. I just need it to look good. But I'm noticing this actually mimics like my hairline, which is crazy. See how it has that shape? Most wigs sort of just like go straight across, and I've noticed that a lot of them are starting to like dip down and give that widow's peak look. I don't have a natural widow's peak, so that looks weird on me, but this is my exact hairline. I'm excited. Let me find some scissors so I can go ahead and cut the lace and show y'all what it looks like. So I'm cutting this wig and I just noticed, and I didn't see this mentioned anywhere on the website for the details of this wig, but I'm gonna mention it. So on the ear tabs, there's these like, first of all, I didn't know what this was, but playing with it and I realized it bends. So like there's metal in there, and I'm assuming it's meant to keep the ear tabs down so you don't have to glue them. They literally bend and mold. Girl, no they didn't. Okay, let me finish cutting this lace. I'm excited now. Okay, so I have the lace cut, and although this lace looks amazing, as is, it will probably blend really well, but because I'm a dark skin girl, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some lace tint spray. And I'm using this one from Kiss. It's in a shade dark brown. I really love this stuff. It's peach scented and it's quick drying. If you're looking for a really good lace tint spray, I highly recommend this one. I will have it linked on my Amazon storefront, also down in the description box below. Okay, I have the lace tinted. Just look how dark and chocolatey that is. All right, even though it is quick drying, just to be safe, I'm gonna give it some time to dry, and then we're gonna pop this bad boy on. Now, it's not a complete seamless finish over here on the edges, and let me remind you that I do have some pretty long sideburns, so please disregard that. I know my sideburns way longer than the average woman. But yeah, that's pretty flat over here on the sides. And to just cover up my long ass sideburns, I just pull out extra hair, and it just basically just mimics my natural sideburns. I'm gonna brush it out, but so far, this is the most impressive wig I have ever put on my freaking head. I already know the curls gonna eat when I brush them out. I'm just amazed at the fit and the lace. Look at that hairline. It's giving movie star. It's giving I'm ready for my close-up. Let me brush these curls out. Girl. All I can say is, girl. Let me show you what it looks like from the back. I don't remember exactly how long this wig is. I will leave it down in the description box below because I know somebody's going to ask me. Okay, I'm going to go back and look it up and then I'll leave it down there. Keep in mind that I am 5'4", so sometimes things look a little bit longer or bigger on me because I am a little tiny. Okay, let me show y'all that I didn't use any glue, adhesive, tape, gel, got to be, or anything on this lace, this beautiful lace. So there are two combs right here. So if you are not wearing a wig cap, you could use these combs right here. I don't want to dig into my wig cap, so I'm not using those combs. The only combs I'm currently using with this wig is the one in the back. And I didn't even tighten the elastic band. Now normally I do have to tighten the elastic band like all the way. But I didn't have to do that with this wig. What I'm probably going to do is, because I have long sideburns, pull some hair out over here on the side and just leave it there and cut it down a little bit so it matches my natural sideburns. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna leave it as is so y'all can see what the wig actually looks like. But if you have that issue like I do, where you're just like super hairy, you can just cut a little bit and it'll really mimic your natural sideburns. I'm trying to think of what else I could possibly say about this wig, but I feel like it just speaks for itself. Oh my goodness, this wig is amazing. It feels so freaking comfortable and it mimics my hairline. I don't have any hair showing around my edges. None. That's crazy. And it looks so realistic. You can't see the lace from afar or up close. I don't have to worry about the ear tabs sticking up or flying up. Oh, I didn't even show y'all all the parting space. So this is 11 by 6. You get 6 inches of parting space. It goes all the way back here, y'all. You see how deep that is? And it comes with this C-shaped part, which I love. That's how I like to do my side parts. But you can even part it even deeper. Hold on, because you can even part it all the way over here if you like. And the same thing on the other side, but I really don't want to mess up the curls any more than I already have. So yeah, you get really deep parting space. You can do so many different hairstyles with it because of the amount of parting space that you get. You can do deep parts, you can do middle parts, you can do braided styles, you can do, girl, the limit does not exist. You can do so many different hairstyles. I don't have nothing else to say. Girl, go ahead and get this wig added to the cart. Right now, Luvme Hair is having a Black Friday sale. I don't know when this video will be uploaded, but if it's after the 15th, that's when the deals get really good. And you can get up to $140 off of your orders. Oh, plus an extra 30% with our coupon code. So if you use that, you can get a pretty good deal on this wig. And I think this is probably the best wig they have on their website. It does come in multiple lengths, so you can get it all the way down to your butt if you want to. You can get it, you know, right up to here if you want to. However you want it. But I do think that you 100% need to get this wig. That's it for this video. If you are not convinced by now, I don't know what else to say to convince you. I will have all of the information for this wig down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I'll have the direct link, the promo sale, and all the coupon codes that you need. I'll also leave the coupon codes right up here on the screen. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And I know you enjoyed it, so give it a thumbs up. And make sure you are subscribed to the Soulful Shenanigans channel for more videos and content like this. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig. Are you as excited as I am? Are you as impressed as I am with all of the wonderful upgrades that they are doing to these wigs? Girl, they are doing a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. I really appreciate having you here. I hope you ladies have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video.